we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. In English, this is generally said as Marion, Marion. Now in other languages, or depending on the origin, the country, the accent, the language, it might be said also as Marion. Like in French it is said as Marion, Marion, but more generally it is pronounced in English as Marion. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.